my name is Lauren Fulmer with University of Missouri Extension. Today I'm going to be creating a simple rhubarb crisp, which is perfect for springtime. It comes together really quickly, and this is a treat that anybody in your family can totally enjoy. So before we started filming, we started some rhubarb. Rhubarb is fresh in Missouri in the month of like May to early June. It's a quick season, so if you can find some and purchase it from a local farmer, I encourage you to do so. Chop it up, freeze it, and you're good to go. So you can have rhubarb crisp or cobbler any time. So to my stock pot here, I'm going to turn the heat up just a smidge. I'm going to add in 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and then we're just going to let this kind of cook down, and basically it's going to soften. The rhubarb is going to get softened, and we're just going to have a really yummy filling. Want to let this cook for, like I said, about 10 to 15 minutes before you would pour it into your baking dish. We're going to make our crust, our crumb topping for our crisp really quickly as well. About a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of flour, 1.5 cups of oatmeal, and a 1/2 pound of butter, which is a stick of butter, and it's softened, just so you know. A teaspoon of cinnamon, a little pinch of kosher salt. So I have a pastry cutter, and I'm just going to work to form a crumb topping. So we aren't trying to make it look like it's like cookie dough. We're trying to make it look just rustic and crumbly. Our rhubarb's cooking down. It's got a really pretty pink color to it. I'm gonna add in a couple teaspoons of vanilla extract. So I've got a round baking dish here. You could use a 9x13 pan, any type of baking dish that you have. Make sure you get it sprayed good, because we don't want all of this goodness sticking to the sides. And then we're gonna dump it in. It smells so good already. Then we're gonna take our pastry crust, or our crumb topping here, work together. I like to kind of pinch it together as I'm putting it over the top. You just want to evenly spread it over the top. We have preheated our oven to 350 degrees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this in the oven. I'm going to clean up my mess here, and then I'm going to come back and show you our finished product, and it's going to be so good. So we just took our rhubarb cobbler out of the oven. We baked it at 350 for about 30 minutes until the crust, the top, was just nice and golden brown. Like making things like this to then take to neighbors, or somebody, maybe they just had a baby. This is just such an easy, fast, inexpensive treat for anyone. So now the best part is tasting it. Like, I always feel like I'm playing roulette. Like, you can see the steam rising off the top of it. So wish me luck. This little bowl is going to be mine and nobody else's. If you like recipes just like this one, or you want to find more similar ones to that, check out our website at extension.missouri.edu and search Seasonal and Simple and find recipes just like this. So until next time, bye!